Well, this is clipped, or this repair is going to be in several parts, just because that's what's going to have to happen. So, we'll get this one out. See how much further along we are. I'm just going to leave that right there then if it's not falling out. Okay, making some progress. Just so long as that's clear of the valve cover. Cops knocker. I'm gonna wreck this even more, this back clip. Frig, man. It's fallen a couple times today. Gonna have to find a better spot to stick it. That's what she said. She said you'll have to find a better spot to stick it. Let's try, you guys. For now. Shit, I can't see what kind of view you got. Let's do this. There we go. That's a better view, I think. I don't know if I can feel comfortable letting that sit there. Come on. Motherfuck, eh? That's loud. Oh well, I'll leave it for now. Don't necessarily have to remove that. Come on, how do you get that off of it? Seriously. That's a fuel rail, I believe, so I shouldn't have to take that off. Motherfuck. I don't know what's going on here, because this, I think I have to take that off. And that's not exactly fun. Bit of fuel will probably come out when I take that off. Fuck, these gloves are annoying sometimes. Great for keeping the hands clean, but annoying. I know I can pop this out. There we go. Put that back there. There we go. We won't lose that one now. How does this pop off? Is that not what it is? It's gotta be. Come on, baby. Pop off there. Be good for daddy. Oh. Is that gonna do it? Come on. if I even have to disconnect that. Fuck. I'll just leave it for now. What about this one? How's that come off of there? Just a wiggle? Come on, baby. No? Not coming off, eh? Sorry, guys. I might have to readjust you a few times.